our salsa. We made our queso already in the other parts of this video. So now it's just about building the layers. So we want to make sure that for every layer, you know, we want to get a good mix of things in there. And I guess we should preheat our oven. We can just do, let's say 325, that's fine. 300, 350, somewhere in there is alright. Yeah, let's do 350. We'll do 350. Alright, so I'm going to do some meat on the bottom. All good and spread. Let's do a little more meat. Cooked this last night, as you can see. It is not warmed up yet. Alright, we got some meat. Let's do some salsa. Spread all that stuff around so we get a good mix. Now let's do some pasta. In order to get the pasta soft enough, this was also included earlier in the video, but you just soak it in water for a little while and it becomes soft enough for you to actually do stuff with. Break off little chunks, fill it up. Now, let's do some queso. Queso. It's hard to go wrong when you got meat, pasta, and queso in the same thing. There it is. Let's get some meat. Now this meat is a mix. It's 2 pounds of ground beef and then 1 pound of the Italian sausage. And then it's also got the onions and the jalapenos kind of mixed in with it. Let's see, kind of fill in some little gaps here. Alright, now let's do another layer of pasta. You're not supposed to tell your cardiologist about this meal. He doesn't need to know. Kind of running out of room in my little tray. We need some more queso for sure. Now, queso can burn, and meat can burn, but salsa doesn't usually burn, so I'm gonna end with salsa on top, just so I don't have like crusty burnt cheese. Some people might like that. I don't know, you can do your layers however you want to. Let's throw some more meat on this thing. Pretty sure this is mostly veggie. Alright, sorry, we ran out of space on there for a sec. You want to make sure that you get all of your noodles covered, because I hate chewy, hard noodles. So, moving a little stuff over there to make sure my noodles are not exposed. Alright. And now we're ready to stick it in the oven. Boom. And I don't know, 30 minutes or so is probably enough. I mean, the noodles are already pre-soaked, so basically we're just warming it up. So once it starts smelling good in here, then the noodles ought to be fine and it should be ready to roll. So basically, as soon as we can smell it, that means it's delicious and ready. So, boom.
How do you cut this?
Straight down, cut you a little square, and then. Is it delicious? Terrible. Yeah. Is it working?
Yep.
Working.
Your turn.
Is it working?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Hiding, anonymous. So it's okay.
That nigga killed the plate, bro.